Hi, it's Fies Taro. Hello, Aries Placement. So, this is your love and money read for uh, October. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page, okay? And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? Okay. So, unahin natin ang money. Okay, money read for October. Ano bang meron? Okay. October. Okay. Parang gusto kong gumamit ng aking cards for money. Money. Aries. Okay. Huge decision. By October, pwedeng may mangyaring decision making. Okay? Negotiate. Oh, okay. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba itong huge decision na ito pagdating sa kaperahan mo? Okay. So, pwedeng merong decision na mangyayari sa negosyasyon. Sa negotiation. Okay? Ano to? Ano tong huge decision for Aries pagdating ng October? Oh, this is money. Okay, some of you magkakaroon or pwedeng biglaan or iba sa inyo pwedeng may darating na malaking pera sa October pero kailangan ninyong parang i-manage ng ayos. Okay? Some of you, this is like promotion. This is like a huge decision whether tanggapin mo ba yung promotion or hindi. I don't know why. Okay, tingnan natin bakit. Okay, basta inyo, kung yan ay, in general po ha, there's an offer. Okay, there's an offer na kailangan yung pag-isipan maigi. Bakit? Tingnan natin. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. May chance kasi na pwedeng sabihin nating hindi agad-agad na pwedeng bumalik. If ever kayo ay may sariling business, hindi agad-agad babalik. Okay? Pwedeng offer ng partnership, offer kahit ano. Pwedeng maglalabas ka ng pera, ganyan, pero hindi ganun kadali ang ROI. Okay? So, iba naman, if this is promotion, parang andyan yung parang magsisimula ka ulit. Sobrang mabagal. Para kang magsisimula ulit sa zero. Okay? It's up to you. Meron ditong offer. Okay? So, yeah. Ang nakikita ko dito is like, lalabas ka sa comfort zone mo pagdating ng October. Okay? Ano tong negotiate? For Aries placements. The Four of Pentacles. Planning, ang naririnig ko rito. Planning. Maybe, bago ka magbitaw, magsalita, no? Yung mga decision, magbitaw ng decision, planuhin maigi. Planuhin mabuti. Yung iba dito, meron ako nakikita ritong parang may mag-open ng bank account, like, magsisave ng money, parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Chalices Universe for the rainy days. For the rainy days. Okay? So, yeah. I guess, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, nakikita ko, this is, channeled. Merong mag-a-apply for, ang tawag sa ganun, like, wait lang, iisipin ko. Okay. Insurance. So, yun. Oo. Nalimutan ko yung word. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so meron ako nakikita rito may mag-a-apply for insurance. I don't know. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang nakikita ko for you pagdating sa kaperahan by October. Okay. So, sa love, anong meron? Anong parating? Ngayong October. So, when it comes to love, anong meron sa mga Aries placements? Aries placements. Okay. Anong meron sa love? Anong paparating ngayong October? The Four of Pentacles in reverse. The Page of Pentacles. So, nakakita ko dito ng parang short-term relationship or connection. Okay, with an earth sign. Yeah, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, the King of Pentacles universe. This is like a short term. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the Four of Pentacles universe. Yeah, the Six of Swords. The Eight of Swords. The Five of Pentacles. Yeah. Yung iba kasi rito, pwedeng moving on, ganyan. Nakakuha ako dito ng energy na meron kayong pwedeng makilala by October. Pero hindi ko nakikita magiging, ang tawag doon, long term. Okay? Pwedeng businessman to. Some of them. Pwedeng katrabaho mo. Okay? Yung iba rito ha, meron ako nakikitang issue. Issue ng third party dito kahit wala yung Three of Swords. Okay? Merong rumor na lalabas patungkol sa boss. Okay? Patungkol sa boss. By October. Meron ditong person na napaka-irresponsible na pwedeng alisan ka by October. Pwedeng earth sign. Okay? Kung meron kayong nakarelasyon, like may separation na nangyari, like, yeah, ang nakikita ko rito by October, wala akong nakikitang, ang tawag doon, progress. Ang nakikita ko dito is distansya pa rin. Okay? No reaching out. Stuck. Some of you. Okay? So, yeah. Iba rito pwedeng like, may mangutang. A past person. I don't know. A coworker. Yeah, may mga ganyan. Okay? So, this is connection. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang ating nakikita. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs. Okay. So, tingnan natin. This is parang trailer. Trailer! Oo, nang pwedeng magiging reading ngayong October. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Kaya abang-abang lang. Oo, trailer pa lang. Okay? Anong meron? Pagdating sa all signs. Okay, Aries. Okay? So, walang pakikipag-usap. Gusto nilang magkaayos pero walang pakikipag-usap. Taurus. Pakunyaring nakakalimutan ka pero nag-i-stalk. Gemini, wala nang effort pagdating sa reconciliation. Cancer, okay, trying to improve. Yeah, si Cancer. Leo, okay, so pwedeng may pagka-selfish. Okay, si Leo by October. Okay, Virgo, na-intimidate. Gustong-gusto ka niya nakikita. Gustong-gusto niya kausap ka. Gusto ka laging nandyan. Parang ganyan. Pero na-intimidate siya. Libra. Okay, so pwede may makipag-ayos na Libra. May makipag-commit na Libra sa'yo. Okay. So, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra. Scorpio, may feelings pa rin. Hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. Okay, so, wait lang po. Okay, Sagittarius. So, hinahayaan lang ni Sagittarius na totally ma-burn down yung inyong tower. Okay. So, kung mayroong separation, hinahayaan lang niya yun. Or hahayaan pa rin niya yun hanggang October. Capricorn, still stuck. Holding on, holding back. Okay, gusto ng repeat cycle with you. Aquarius, okay, manifesting na maging okay yung inyong situation. Okay, next is Pisces, okay, So, some of them, they're praying, oo, na maging okay kayo or magkaroon ng pag-uusap. Some of them, they're like manifesting you. Okay, manifesting na magkaroon ng conversation. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for Aries placements pagdating sa love and sa money. Okay, so there. Thank you. Bye.